Artebula's Little Makers.
Today we're going to be making jewelry out of melted crayons and beads. So what you're going to need is bits of crayons that you found at the bottom of your marker or crayon bin. Then you can twine or string. These beads that you can get at Dollarama, or if you have some, you can use those. A mini muffin tin for putting the crayons in, and yeah, and a lighter and a nail for your parents, so they can put holes in the crayon. Let's get started. Okay, go. So you're gonna take your crayons, if they have these paper around it, you can peel it, and when you're done that, you can start breaking them like into small little bits, but you want to fill it up at a halfway. I like to use scissors, it might help. You can also get your mom and dad to cut it on a cutting board if it's too hard for you, or if you're too young to do it maybe. And once they're in the mini muffin tin, you're gonna bring them here, and you're gonna put it down. And remember, it's really hot. Set the timer for 10 minutes. So your timer, then you're gonna go and start. So when they're out of the oven, place them on a table, and you should have a lighter beside you and a parent beside you, some string for when we're gonna make it, and this knife. So let's try to get them out. So I'm going to make this one right now. You need a parent, like you need one. So my mom's gonna come and she's gonna help me with the lighter and the nail. You need a nail for putting the holes in. So you're gonna just light it a little so that it's really hot.
This one?
Then you're gonna poke holes in it. So there's one hole. There's another. Okay, then you're gonna poke the next hole. Okay, and make sure it's big enough. Okay, so it should look something like this. Yeah. So you're gonna wanna, when we're making this, you're gonna see this side. So you're gonna take your string, and you're gonna cut it. Oh, you want it, how big it is. It needs to be big enough. Should look like this. You'll have your string popping there. Yeah? Okay, now I'm gonna decorate both sides equally, but you guys can do whatever you want. So from the beads that you got at Dollarama or from your house, you can start decorating. I'm gonna show you how to like attach it, how to make something to like attach it and detach it without like undoing a knot or something like that. So you're gonna take any bead. I think I'll go with a circle. Then you're gonna put it, but you don't want to put it all the way. Okay, then you're gonna tie a knot like this. It should look like this. But you want to do 2 knots so it's extra secure. Like this. There. Now here, you're gonna want to go like this, and you want to make the circle small enough so that it won't just keep on falling off. And you can put this around the bead and it will just stay like that. And that's how you make your necklace.
If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're getting piles of artwork because of all this awesomeness, then you've got an app for that. It's called Artebula, and you can find it for free on the App Store and Google Play Store.